My lads, welcome back to the Battle Cats. I suck. So I have made a video. I don't know when I'm uploading it, but that's a thing. And welcome back to my account of the Battle Cats. Yeah. I don't actually know what to do, because I did pretty much everything for the event that I can do at my skill level. And then there's these, which I just can't do. Like this one is like an expert, and I'm still stuck at these expert stages, and I half the time can't even beat these veterans. So that would be a problem. Wrath of Heaven, expert, Sports Day Awakens, probably another expert, yeah. Crazed Lizard, probably insane or something. Yeah. It's probably a expert or something. Same with I think Sports Night's an insane, not an expert. Or he just doesn't want to load. And then there's this one, which is Anthem equals Sports Day, but I've already completed it, every stage. So, that's useless. I'm sad that I didn't get an Uber. And this is, one last day for the event, and yeah, I didn't get anything really good from it. But it doesn't matter. I still need 400,000 just to get it to level 20. She's only a special unit. Why is she so expensive? And then if I get to Yamuto. Oh, I forgot I saved this. I got him up to level 25. So the reason I got him this high is because he does massive damage to aliens and zombies. So he's actually kind of useful. Now, let's evolve this bitch. Rampaging Yamuto. Wait, so let's go from the start. Angel born from the heart of heavenly power, wielding a sword that strikes down devils. Massive area damage reversing angels and zombies. Next. Revealed the next World Viva harmonic power with down blade in hand. What is this? Prolific is for I don't know English apparently. The prophecy is fulfilled. Massive area damage against aliens and zombies. This hidden strength emerges from within, thanks to the blessing of Rococo's scarred light. Yeah, I read that right. Massive area damage against angels and zombies. Let's see what he looks like now. Can't guide. Maybe he'll actually be useful, unlike half the collab units ever created. Yamuto. Hello? There's Yamuto. Oh, and he's a zombie killer, by the way. Bam! Now. My boy's got wings down. Now. Whoa! Bang! Okay, I actually like that. I wonder if he's actually fast. That could be cool. I wonder if there's any cat combos that I can use. Yeah, it says new. Taking a bow is with Mr. Long Nick. No. Nothing to do with any of the collab stuff. So I got Captain Abbott, which is Fisherman and Whale. Death Rock, which is Zombie and Rocker. Sound of Wings, which is Bird and Cupid. Take a Bow, Tank and Koala. Rawhide is Cow and Eastwood. Falling in Love, Bride and Cupid. X-Files, UFO and Psycho, well, Neo Psycho. Into the Ninja, Hayabusa and Ninja. Duet, Rocker and Monaco. Smiles at Cats is Normal Cat and, what's her name? Coppermine. Lion King is Madame King and Lion Cat. Age of Dinosaurs, we got Jurassic and Lizard. Black and White is Color Cat and Normal Cat. You Will Find Happiness is those two from the Evangelion Club. Meowling in the Rain is Slug Cat and the person I can never pronounce the name. Jubilee Studios, Flying Cat, Mythical Titan, and Witch. I still don't understand what that means. Paranormal Activity, Wheel, Evil Cat, Wheel Cat, and Vengeful Cat. Cat Army, which is the 5 basics, and then the Little Cat Army, the 5 smaller versions. So yeah, I got a lot of cat combos, but nothing to do with these specials. You are useless, all of you. Yeah, so this whole collab was a massive nothing. But I'm thinking Yamuto might actually be good. So I'm going to get a zombie loadout, and I'm going to go through a zombie stage. Let's go for chapter 2, because that's easier. I only have 3 loadouts. I'm sooner or later going to buy this, but it's like 90 cat food, and that's way too much effort. All of you get out. Zombies. Press OK. There we are. Jamira, of course. We gotta get a new boy and Power Driver. And yes, I could get Kubalula, who can knock back enemies. And Sim with unknown cut. Yes. Wait, do they both do the exact same? Oh, I think Kubalan is better because he has a wave attack. But I'm not using any of you. Instead, we're gonna get, okay, which one of you does the damage? Might freeze, might knock back. Tough. Actually, you knock back and are tough. You, massive damage. You, knock back. Okay, maybe we should get like a freeze. So, you. Yeah, you're getting in here. I would say get another Uber in for here, but I guess we're going 1 Uber. I think this is the lowest amount of Ubers because I'm always Uber carried. But that does not matter. What are you are Australia. Going down under, that's very fucking racist. I'm gonna stop. Oh no. It's a koala. The drop bears are coming. I need to stop. I'm an offensive stereotype. No. Okay, it's actually kind of fast. He might actually be useful. Oh, but he does stop. So, yeah. Okay, now he's back to it. So he has like a running time. Oh, and his cooldown's very long. Yeah, I don't know if it'll be that useful. Because I still can't even summon a second one of him. Like, I've got like 4 of my rare units. This guy's like super rare time. I wouldn't say Uber, because no. But like, I've only now got 2 of them. So like, he's like as slow as a super rare when it comes to getting summoned out. So, maybe not the best, but massive damage. So, I can't knock it. No. And I should probably use these treasure chests, but that's a lot of work. Which I'll do off camera. I'm not doing it on camera because that would be very boring. Unless you guys just want to see me doing the same stage over and over for a round. an hour. I would say hour-long video, but like, fuck. I don't think any of you have that long of a patience when it comes to me repeating the same level over and over for an entire hour and probably just getting absolutely nothing. Well, I got these boys. I'm just stacking. We haven't even got to the base, but I got my stack going. I can level up, because why not? I got my stack growing. I'm getting an army. Are you ready for this? No. No, you're not. Whoa. Any, what is that? Go away. Well, I got the Uber in for the power of Uber carry. Now, are you ready to die? I actually think Yamuto is actually doing decent work, actually. Yeah, they definitely are. I didn't even have to use my Uber. And we just completed a chapter 3 zombie stage. Yeah, Yamuto's actually a decent pick. Because apparently he works pretty well. Okay, where's this zombie stage? Oh, first one, okay. I should also probably get the treasures for this one. Are you thinking of a Jamira coming? Well, tough luck, boy. You're getting the entire army. Oh no, it's a penguin. Oh no, you're so scary. Oh no, actually, fuck. They just killed everyone from frontline. And they're actually getting notifications. I'm actually getting these people stacked up on me. Okay, this might actually be an issue. I was doing this like a joke, but this is actually kind of hard. They're killing stuff. Yeah, and we're not gonna retry that. So that was something. Definitely something. Something good? Absolutely not. But also, just to know, 15, 15, 15, 17, don't question, 19. It takes me a full million XP to get it to level 20. I am not doing that. That's a lot. 15, 15, 15, and 13. You can tap that, but how much would it? Oh, nope. That's a lot. Probably the next person would be here. But I need an epic capfruit seed. Where do you even get an epic capfruit seed? Plus, wait, what is it? Level 30. Million XP for just level 20. And you want to get me to you want me to get it all the way up to level 30 and get that epic capfruit seed. Yeah, nah, mate. But guys, just saying, video coming up soon. Because, like, look at that. Or, like, this. But let me just say, for into the future, I could go here. I've got everything I need, and he's already level 30. So, just saying, all I need is XP, and I could get this guy true formed, and we can make a video where I do some into the future stages. Right now, I'm stuck on my chapter 2 because there's a black unit stage, and it's really annoying. No, I don't care, user rank reward. The black kangaroo is annoying me. So you know what? Let's do a black loadout. Let's change my aliens out for a sec. Let's do a black, not metal, black. Got Jamira. Okay, let's get my black typed Uber in. Ringil, because of course. Wait, what does she actually do? Long range and strong, okay. What? No. No. Yes. No, I need cheaper units. I need ones I can use multiple of, so... Caddyswood. Do I want Ringil? Or do I want Jamira? Or do I want this guy? See, he's level 30 and does massive damage, so I think I'm probably going to end up using him a lot. Entire black. Come on. Screw it. You're out. I said you're out. I'm going to regret that, which is why I'll probably do this level again. But let's get into it. If I need to, I'll try and do something about it. I don't know. Okay. Me don't know. You gonna do the first move, huh? Good move. But I don't like it. Should I just start spamming my anti-black units straight away? Yeah, get Jamira in, because he can do floating as well. Okay, they're already killing my anti-blacks. That's not good. They take time. Okay, bad life decisions. I get it, okay? Fuck. What do I do? Don't. That hurts. Oh no. Don't take this out of context. I didn't even hit the base yet. Wow. That could have gone a lot better. What if I just go boom, boom? Dot, 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 dot. Ba-da, dot. Dot, 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 dot. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Mew, 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 mew. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Bep, bep, bep. Go away right now. I don't like you. No, 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 don't hit me. Don't hit me. No, don't hit me. Die in a fire, yes. Don't, no, 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 no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. No! Well, that could have gone a lot better. How much cat food do I have? Not a lot, apparently. I want those cat food jubilee stages, because I can get all kinds of cat food. And I'm pretty sure you can have a tiny chance to get epic cat food. And I really need cat food. But hey, yeah, they don't want to give it to me, so never mind. I can't do anything. God damn it. Well, I'll see you in the next video, because apparently I can't really do anything right now. See you next time. Adios.